Thank you for joining us. This video is part of a series to help you set up and use your Revitive Arthritis-Knee device. In this video, we'll show you how to use the arthritis pads. Revitive Arthritis-Knee comes with 2 pairs of large reusable arthritis electrode pads and a unique arthritis mode to strengthen your thigh muscles, which may help to support and stabilize the knee and relieve knee pain. First, attach the ends of the arthritis pads to the arthritis pad cord. Then plug the other end of the arthritis pad cord into the opening on the side of Revitive. Be aware, you won't be able to use the foot pads while the body pad cord is plugged in. Remove the plastic liner from the arthritis pads by peeling it off carefully. After use, always put the pads back into the liner to store and protect your pads. Press one of the arthritis pads across the very top of your thigh. Then gently press the second arthritis pad across the bottom of your thigh, a few centimeters above the knee. Using the remote control, turn on the device and start increasing the intensity level. The therapy starts within 30 seconds of stimulation to help you find the right intensity level. This is followed by a rest period of 30 seconds with no stimulation. The intensity level goes from 1 up to 99, and you want to find your highest tolerable intensity level, where you get a very strong muscle contraction. For the remainder of the 20-minute session, you will feel 10 seconds of stimulation followed by a 50-second rest period. This then repeats. We recommend using the arthritis pads on the affected leg for 20 minutes once a day, 5 days a week. Try to find a routine that works for you, perhaps using the arthritis pads Monday to Friday and not at the weekend. When used on dry, non-oily skin, the arthritis pads are reusable up to 20 to 30 times before needing to be replaced. If the arthritis pads start to lose their stickiness, just rub a few droplets of water into the surface to extend their life. As you can see, strengthening your thigh muscles to support and stabilize your arthritic knee is very easy. For more help on this and other topics, please visit revitive.com/learn.